be?
Minus 83, ay 4 madam, 7 minus. Basta na 33 ito po.
33?
25 minus
33 years po na.
First na to.
Okay, mark your card number 45. Next question. Give the complete address of WIT.
Lunar Street.
Lunar Street, La Paz.
Ang number. Dapat may number.
Number 1.
Ano? Ano number yan?
63 La Paz.
O, 63 Lunar Street, La Paz, Iloilo.
Oh, you're wrong. 39.
Mark your card number 29. Next question. What is the name of our alma mater?
Western Institute.
Ah, di ka hindi pagit ka mo, kabalo ka nag-graduate ka mo sa Wait. Mark your card number 12. Next question. What is the main acronym of WIT to the students, especially when we cannot pay the tuition?
What is the note?
Acronym.
Sorry, note.
WIT. Away ka muna kay Balo. Wala inog bayad tuition. Okay. Mark your card number 4. Next question. What church is in front of WIT? Very good. Kaya nagasimba ka mo.
Wala, nagagay ko dito.
Di ka mo nagaday. St. Clement's Church. Mark your card number 46.
46.
Next number.
36 or 46?
46. Next question. What is the Hindu-Arabic of the year 1983?
1983.
Hindu Arabic.
Roman numeral.
Ay, Roman numeral gali. Ay, sorry. Oh, nandaan ako goro. 1983. Ang Roman numeral.
M1X, X1X, 115, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 ka to.
Ano ba lang? 19, bali 1,983.
Oo.
Oy, correct! NCMLXXX12111. Mark your card number 20. Next number. Arata ka mo? What is the name of the refreshment or the restaurant of Engineer Enriquez where Leia Lendi reports to check our test paper?
Sweater C.
Very good, Yani. Why they do? Oo, kaya na kamo gani ka. Kuhan mo sa labak na kamo. Huwag ka matapos ang question.
question.
Mark your card number 47.